What's up, online shoppers? I am decorating my patio and I'm so excited about this next purchase. This is a set of 2 patio lantern plant stands, and they are going to look beautiful in all kinds of places. My biggest challenge is going to be deciding where they go. So I thought I'd open up the box and show you how they go together, and you can see if this is something you'd like. 1 lantern. Now they have a really pretty matte black finish, 2 lanterns. The top is a solar lantern. Then you've got a weather resistant ABS plastic, full metal, powder coated black, and these adorable little surfaces for the plants to sit on. Love it. And finally in here we have all of the metal legs for the plant stand. They are labeled. I like it. There are 2 different sizes of metals. These little short stubbier ones are the base. They're going to go next to the floor, and you can tell that because the bottoms of them are finished, and then the top is threaded because they're going to go into these, and these ones are going to make up the bulk of the rest of the legs of the planter. We're going to start. And there we go. Now you're going to have to bend these out a little bit, but it kind of happens naturally when you feed the legs through the holes of the base here. Lantern number 1 is done. Let's do lantern number 2. And lantern number 2. These are so cute. Now a few more things before we get into it. The top of the lantern pops off because this is where the little solar panel is, and underneath is where the little light is. So all we have to do is just turn on the light and see that it's pretty bright because I have the solar panel block, and I'm just going to pop it in like that, and we're just going to slide it in like that. We'll do the same to the next one right here. Turn it on, pop it right back in, and there we go. Now when I cover them up, look at how cute these are. They're absolutely adorable. Now as far as dimensions go, these ones are 36 inches or 3 feet tall. They have a nice little platform here that you can put a plant on, but let's talk a little bit more about them. I think these are absolutely adorable, and I think they're going to make a wonderful accent on my patio. These are nice and sturdy, so each of these is going to provide a really nice base for whatever plants I choose to put here. And I love that at nighttime they're going to light up and still highlight the flowers even when it's dark. As you saw, the installation was really easy. All you have to do is take it out of the box, connect all of these by screwing one into the other, and then stretch out the base a little bit. These lights are going to turn on automatically at dusk and then shut off when the sun rises in the morning. And as far as charge goes, they are going to give anywhere between 6 to 8 hours of light in the evening, as long as they have been placed in a sunny spot during the day. Now, one of the reasons why I picked these is the durability. They have this beautiful powder coating over top of the metal legs. There's a really nice finish on the bottom, and I love the ABS weather resistant plastic that they have used. It's metal all the way through. It's super easy to turn the lights on and then pop the solar element right back in the top. And I can't wait to put these in action with some gorgeous little plants that I can enjoy not only in the morning when it's daylight, but also at night by the light of the solar lanterns. I should also add that these solar lights are IP65 rated for weatherproofing, which means it doesn't matter what the elements are like outside. I can leave these outside and know that they are going to bring light and beauty no matter what the weather. If you're looking to add a touch of elegance to your patio decor, you've got to consider this beautiful set of plant holder patio lights. Solar powered, beautiful, classic, easy to put together, and they don't break the bank either. These are definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.